Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you different beautiful decoration arts. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas. We post new videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel. Mirror on the wall. Master the art of decorating mirrors from experts. Mirrors are essential when showcasing your beauty and enhance it. However, did you know it also plays a crucial role in your home's aesthetics and functionality? A mirror can enhance the space and make your home look larger than it is, spread the light and adequately illuminate the area, and more. Now we've prepared several decorating ideas with mirrors on walls. But before we dive into this, is decorating with mirrors really a vital aspect? Mirrors are a crucial component of home decor. They can give any space more depth, light, and style. Additionally, mirror decorating has grown fascinating with the development of LED technology. Various features are available with LED mirrors, such as Bluetooth connectivity, dimming settings, and built-in lights. We'll cover expert advice for your house's mirror design in this post, emphasizing LED mirrors. Compelling arguments for why you should include a mirror in your home's interior design. Add depth. A mirror gives any space a sense of depth, which makes it appear bigger and airier. Additionally, it might give the appearance of a window or entry, expanding the area. Reflect light. By reflecting natural light, a mirror may make a space appear brighter and cozier. A mirror placed across from a window or other light source will reflect the light and make the area appear more radiant. Make a statement. In a room, a mirror may make a strong statement. If you select a distinctive form or eye-catching frame, it can become the centerpiece of your decor and add flair. Mirror is a statement. Balance. By reflecting on the other elements in the room, a mirror can aid in achieving balance in a given area. A mirror on the opposite wall can help balance the visual weight and provide a more unified appearance if a lot of heavy furniture is on one side of the space. Add flair. A mirror can bring elegance and flair to any space. A mirror can improve the appearance of your home overall, whether you select a frame in a classic style or a sleek, modern design. Functional. Mirrors are naturally used for practical purposes, such as getting ready in the bathroom or bedroom. Your decor can have both practicality and style if you include a mirror. LED lighting customization. Adding an LED mirror to your home decor can increase functionality and personalization. Your LED mirror may transform into the ultimate design item that improves the atmosphere of your living area with dimming settings, built-in lights, and smart features like Bluetooth connectivity. A mirror is generally a valuable and significant part of interior decor. It can offer dimension and balance, reflect light, create a statement, add flair, and fulfill functional requirements. Every home should have a mirror since it can be customized and made even more helpful by adding LED lights. LED mirror for home decor. Master tips to decorate with mirrors successfully in your home. Indeed, there are many benefits that a mirror can bring to your home. And to utilize these benefits or the advantages they add to your interiors, read the following tips below from master decorators whom we talked with. Tip 1. Pick the appropriate size and shape. The size and shape of your mirror can make a huge difference when designing with mirrors. When choosing LED mirrors, consider the mirror size and shape with the wall it will be mounted on and the other furnishings in the space. A larger LED mirror will make a smaller room look more spacious, while a smaller LED mirror can add a decorative touch to a larger room. Tip 2. Use mirrors to reflect light. The capacity of LED mirrors to reflect light and brighten a space is one of their most important benefits. To add more light to the room, hang a mirror facing a window or other natural light source. Additionally, since your LED mirror has built-in LED lights, you can use it to produce a gentle, diffuse light ideal for styling your hair or doing makeup. Tip 3. Establish a focal point. Don't hesitate to use LED mirrors as the center of attention in a room because they are a statement piece. A LED mirror can be a conversation starter with a striking frame or unique form, and since it has LED lights integrated into, anybody who walks into the room will be drawn to it. Tip 4. Try different placements. LED mirrors can be hung in several locations, including the bathroom, bedroom, and living room. To choose the ideal location for your LED mirror, think about experimenting with positioning. As an illustration, hanging an LED mirror in a dark hallway can bring light and depth, and placing an LED mirror in the living room can add glitz and space. Tip 5. Combine different styles. LED mirrors are available in various designs, from minimalist and contemporary to ornate and historic. To create a distinctive design that represents your particular taste, feel free to mix and match different styles. A vintage-style LED mirror in contemporary furnishings may produce an eclectic, bohemian look. Combine different style. Tip 6. Add smart features to your customization. Smart features like Bluetooth connectivity, voice control, and dimming options are often included in LED mirrors. To make an experience that is genuinely cutting-edge and unique, think about adding these features to your LED mirror. Tip 7. Match other decors to yours. Last but not least, when using LED mirrors as decor, match them to the rest of the furnishings. A unified appearance can be achieved by selecting hues, patterns, and textures that go well with your LED mirror. As an illustration, a trendy, contemporary atmosphere can be produced by combining a sleek LED mirror with strong, geometric designs. Decorating your home's interiors using mirrors can benefit and add to each room's value. However, if you add a LED mirror, this brings your home both functional lighting and reflecting decor. Always remember, if you want to change any house space completely, follow these expert ideas. LED mirrors are a great option for adding light, depth, or flair to your room. So why not play around with positioning, combine different styles, and add clever features to produce a truly distinctive and customized look. Make your home unique and guests envious of your interior design. With these pointers, you'll quickly become an expert at decorating LED mirrors today.
Well viewers, that's all we have for today. Which ones did you like? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.